Welcome friends, welcome back to our channel. I feel very happy that our yesterday's analysis helped you people. Couple of members have messaged me personally, and one or two people have also messaged in our queries group saying that they were in steep losses till midday and finally end the day with small profits. Whatever the profits may be, let it be small, but let's remember it is profits, not loss. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about today's opening note. I have already sent it across as a message earlier, but still I want to explain you some things over charts. That is the reason I have done it as a video again. Okay. So before even starting, we have some positive news about Ukraine-Russia factor. Ukraine president has finally announced that he is not going to join NATO and they are not interested in joining NATO as well. Okay, so this is a major relief for the Ukraine-Russia tussle. Probably from here on the talks would continue and there will not be any war kind of situation again, and this will probably end in a smooth manner if Putin decides to do so. Okay, I think he will also accept the fact and considering the human lives who have been lost, so he will also accept the fact and they will start some discussion to end this in a smooth manner. This is a very positive news for markets. But there is another concern raised from US President Joe Biden. Until yesterday, they were discussing about banning exports from Russia on oil and gas front. But yesterday they have confirmed that they are going to ban exports from Russia when it comes to oil and gas. As I said earlier and in my previous views as well, any up move in markets, if it needs to sustain, it needs the participation of banks. Without participation of banks, none of the up move will sustain. Any up move will get sold into. Okay. So considering this into mind, and if US president says that they want to ban exports of oil and gas from Russia, oil spikes again higher. So until this oil and other commodities cools off a bit, majorly it should be oil and natural gas. Until this spike which we are seeing now is cooling off a bit, banks will not have a sustainable rally, which means market will also not have a sustainable rally. Every rally will be used as a selling opportunity by FIAs. Even in yesterday's market, when 150 points up in Nifty from minus 250 points, FIAs are net sellers. So this should play a major part now. And one more thing which will override everything will be tomorrow's election outcome. Whatever the things which we see across the world will be ruled out for tomorrow. So now I have opened the Nifty charts for you. Nifty charts on daily time frame. Like we expected, the support zone was 15,555 odd levels. It went almost 120 points short of that particular level and then had a bounce back yesterday. Now this low of 15,671 will become a very crucial level for next coming days. We can see further downside only if we break this particular level, or else we will see a up move at least till the tune of 16,200 to 16,500. That may or may not sustain. That is a different ball game. We will discuss at that time whether it is going to sustain or not based on the market situation. But let me make it clear, if this particular low holds 15,671, if you ask me whether 15,671 will come first, 15,500 will come first or 16,500 will come first, I will say you 16,500 will come first if this 15,671 is not breached. Okay. The support zones for today. First level is the earlier support of 15,800. And then the next level will be this particular low, 15,671. As of now, in the morning, SGX was suggesting a 60-point gap up opening, and then it cooled off a bit, and now it is showing minus 10 points. Okay. So don't think that minus 25 points. Don't think that it is only minus 25 points. This rate is relevant to our futures rates, which means 16,010 is our yesterday's close in futures. So now SGX is quoting somewhere near 15,920 odd levels, which means there is a 90 point, we can expect a 90 point cut in Nifty. This may or may not change in next 30 minutes, but as of present situation, it is a 90 point cut in Nifty. On any case, any dips towards our support zone of 15,800 can be bought. Why? Because I am considering the election outcome tomorrow. If at all we close below 15,800 today, then we should close our long in Nifty, or else we can hold the long in Nifty for tomorrow's election result. I have already given one election result bet for our premium members. That was given as a pair trade in some other strike price. But this can also be considered as an election result bet if the low holds today. Whatever the situation today may be, the first hour low, the low which it makes till 10 a.m. should be holding for throughout the day. If we are breaking that low, then we have a chance of breaking the 15,800 as well, or else we will slowly reclaim again, and probably post European market opening we will surge again higher, and we might see a trending day today on the upside if the low holds. Let us see how it goes. And on the upside, the resistance area comes at 16,200. The first resistance will be at 16,133, which means the gap will be filled. This gap which has been created will be filled. And then the second level to be resistance is 16,203. So these are the two areas which we will face major resistance today. If, and it is a big if, please remember, we are closing above 16,200. 100% sure tomorrow we will see 16,500. 100%. Okay. So we need to trade accordingly. Now let's move on to Bank Nifty front. Bank Nifty, yesterday we have suggested the support as 32,115. Hope everyone would remember. And it came till 32,155, which is 30 points short of the level which we have suggested. And from there, it surged about 1,100 points. Now, if Bank Nifty is not breaking day before yesterday's low, 32,376, without breaking this low, if we are managing to cross the high of that particular day, which means 33,545, 543 is the exact high. So we will consider as a something which we can remember easily, 33,545. If we are crossing, then it becomes a beautiful chart pattern for me for long trade. If that level is crossed, we will fill this particular gap which was created on Monday. What is the gap area which needs to be filled? It needs to test 34,094 for the gap to get filled. But like I said earlier, the crude worries and natural gas worries will be a trouble for this particular thing. So if crude cools off a bit after if it opening at higher levels, as of now Brent crude I have seen at $130, which means we will open somewhere around 9,900 or 9,800 kind of stuff. Okay, so if crude cools off from there, we can see Bank Nifty picking up. And same scenario for Bank Nifty as well. It needs to hold the first hour low. First hour in the sense not between 9:15 to 10:15. I'm saying 9 to 10. That particular low is holding throughout the day. Like yesterday, post European market opening, we can see a rally towards higher side of the Bank Nifty. If you ask me whether it will sustain or not, that is a different ball game. I will not be able to answer right now, because I need to revisit the situation once again at that particular point, and then only I will be able to answer. But as of present situation, this is the likely scenario. First hour low should not be broken, and at the same time, if we are able to take out the highs of the day, then we will see a trending day on upside. So based on this, I can suggest you one position, one long position in Nifty. The other trades in Bank Nifty, we will see it live. 16,100 call of Nifty tomorrow expiry. It has been quoting at 135.95. Yesterday's close is 135.95. If at all, if we see a cut in Nifty, like what we see in SGX Nifty, say about 100 points, okay, say 90 points, okay, say about 100 points. Somewhere, if you see Nifty near 15,900 levels, this particular 16,100 call would be quoting near 70 to 80 rupees. 70 to 80 rupees it would be quoting, maybe around 85 also it would be quoting. In that case, you can take a trade in this particular level, in this particular strike price, 16,100 call, and take a risk if you are willing to take a risk, or else you can close your position if you see 50% profits. If you want to take a risk, you can hold it till tomorrow. If results are in favor of BJP with the number of seats are higher than the exit polls, definitely this will become 400. The stop loss should be 15,800 on Nifty spot on closing basis. If Nifty spot closes below 15,800 today, then you are supposed to exit the position. Don't worry about intraday fall if it happens below, if you are seeing Nifty below 15,800. If it is holding 15,800 and closing somewhere in between 15,900 to 16,100 or 200, then you can hold on to your position and try your luck. If your luck is in your favor, definitely you will see this at 400 tomorrow. Let us see how it goes. Just mark the levels, keep 16,100 call in your watch list. Remember the levels which I have said, and then trade accordingly. Newcomers, if you are not part of this channel till now, please subscribe and click on the bell icon which is next to it, which means you will get the notifications on time whenever we post a video. And if you feel this video will help your friends who are in trading, friends or relatives who may be in trading, and if you feel that this video may help them, just forward them and ask them to, recommend them to go through it once. If they also feel comfortable, that let them subscribe as well. Have a good day. See you all. Bye for now.